In this episode, we'll focus on something that applies to all of them: writing effective video prompts. Video prompting is different from image prompting. An image describes a single moment, while a video describes how a scene unfolds over time. That's why video prompts work best when they're written as a sequence, guiding the model from the first frame to the last. When it comes to generating your video, you have a few different approaches. The first method is to write a highly descriptive prompt directly in the prompt box, precisely explaining the required elements, such as the background, the actions, and the overall mood. For example, if you want to generate a video of a sleek luxury car driving out of a driveway, you can write a detailed prompt explaining the exact flow and setting of the scene, and then just hit generate. It works beautifully. Awesome! Look at that generation. The lighting and the car's motion look exactly as described. Now, if you already have a pre-written script for your video, there is a second, more efficient method. You can simply paste your script onto the canvas using a text source node and connect it as an input to the video node. By doing this, the video generation node gains the full context of your source text, allowing you to use much simpler prompts while achieving highly relevant results. This is an excellent approach if you plan to reuse the same script across multiple generations. Look at the results generated by our simple prompt and the pre-written script. Let's move on to the third approach. This third method is incredibly effective if your script is not ready yet, but you still have a clear vision of what you want to create. It can be helpful if you are playing around with your prompts. You can add a text generation node to the canvas and describe your core concept. The node will then automatically generate a detailed, structured script for you. From there, you can connect it to your video node the exact same way we use the source nodes. Excellent! The script generated the video perfectly. You can, of course, reuse this script if needed. Finally, keep in mind that you can describe almost any visual aesthetic you want. Hope you like this. Let's see you in next one.